When it comes to plastic injection molding, precision is everything. Even the smallest imperfection on a mold can lead to defects, downtime, and costly repairs. And if those molds aren't cleaned correctly, you're left dealing with production delays and added expenses. That's where our dry ice blasting technology comes in. It uses dry ice to dislodge and lift away stubborn residues and release agents without scratching or pitting mold surfaces. There's no water, no chemical runoff, and no secondary waste to clean up afterward. Nothing left but a clean mold that's ready to get back into production. Our L2P dry ice blaster takes convenience to a whole new level by creating dry ice on demand from liquid CO2. Simply turn it on, and within 30 seconds, you're ready to blast. If you only need to touch up a single mold, fantastic. But if you have a full day of cleaning scheduled, that's fine too. As long as you have liquid CO2, you'll have fresh dry ice. Don't get stuck waiting on pre-made dry ice pellets or blocks. Visit our website to learn more or to schedule a live demonstration, and we'll show you firsthand how dry ice blasting can protect your molds, streamline your cleaning process, and keep your operation running like clockwork. Surpass your expectations with Surpass Industrial.